Now guys, the front window of the Mercedes stopped working. I immediately realized that the window lifted. Having disassembled the door trim, the reason for this was flying reverse, as a result of which the power window of the front door of the Mercedes simply hung. Then river these holes. To start, you need to put this here. Friends, to make Mercedes front door power window repair, you need to reverse any gun. Reverting our windows lifted began to work great. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can remove this tail lamp. To remove it, you need to twist these two nuts. And need remove and twist one nut in the inner part. There. Untwist all of them and remove our tail lamp. Let's go. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Now guys, in this video we'll talk about how to cleanse the battery terminals from oxide and protect them from the further oxidation. The battery is oxidized from the fact that either the clamp is weakly fixed or electrolyte vapors seep out there. There is still a guarantee that the electrolyte vapor channel on the battery are clogged, as a result of which oxide appears. Many people cleanse the clamps differently. Same with a regular brush, same with a dilutes water and baking soda. Means that both are the way to protect the terminal from oxide. Same, take solid oil abundantly and apply it to the cleat. But the fact is that the oil does not conduct electricity well, so that the method is not correct. So we take ordinary felt, cut out the circle and saturate with oil. Set on the lead finger, put on the clamp. All friends, clamp will not oxidize. Further, there is a special spray of vanish from oxide. You need to apply it a bit to the clamp, and this will be enough so that the clamp does not oxidize. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Hi guys, recently I had a kid drive a car at a speed, suddenly press the brake to wrap or drive around something. The car slowly down and the crankshaft speed does not decrease. The reason for this was this. This is the gas pedal mechanism. When we press the gas, the throttle valve is open here and air enter, and this mechanism itself, with time, he began to get hung up. That is, he can stay here in any position. And in fact, the mechanism should return to initial position and not get hung up anywhere. Therefore, we'll lubricate all this place with this. And after that, the mechanism will work correctly. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Hi everybody! If in the morning or in a cold engine the car starts up from the second, third time, this doesn't mean that the car isn't working or there is same problem. You need to turn the engine key and then return to the original position. Then start the car. If it started up, then the problem is in the poor quality fuel. If it doesn't start, then the problem must be solved further. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and put like.